Loud noises can be quite intimidating for human beings, causing us to flinch and jump at sudden sounds. However, for huskies, loud noises are a part of their natural environment and don't bother them as much. In fact, huskies have remarkably sharp hearing and can pick up on sounds that humans can't even detect. These dogs are used to the howling of the wind, the growling of other animals, and even the loud noises of busy cities. What might trigger a human's fight or flight response is just another part of daily life for a husky. Despite this, it's still important to be mindful of your husky's sensitivity to loud or sudden noises and to gradually introduce them to new sounds.